Hi guys, welcome back to 232. As you can probably tell, we're very chilled out. We've literally just done our final day of work. So we thought we'd show you our house, our full house. We've seen it in the past 3 videos, but we wanted to show you the whole house as it's decorated.
Christmas-dified.
Very Christmasified?
Christmas-dified. So yeah, our house door Christmas edition.
Yeah, obviously we hope that you enjoy it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video.
Right, okay, so you come in, this is our, I don't know why I'm showing the grubby mat, this is our front door. So yeah, I'm standing with my back to the front door. Yes. So you come in.
So it's our little hallway.
Yeah.
It's the first impression of the house.
Yeah. So there's the front
little
door.
Little flame we do really well with.
Yeah, then we've got that little village.
There's a little bit of a mess because we have just finished work.
Yeah, then we've got our, just some little fairy lights everywhere. Nice wreath. I feel like we've had a lot of Christmas cards this year, so they're kind of oh, we forgot to put that on. Oh,
up for our battery.
Oh, bless you.
Yeah, it's for our battery.
Oh, okay. And that I need to reglue that there. But that's our little, yeah. So that does light up, but we'll put that on after, and then we'll come into the kitchen. So,
which I think is the best room in the house. I feel the most festive in this room.
Do you?
Yeah.
At the lounge?
Yeah.
So this is
more minimalistic Christmas. With like the tea towels and like how the table's decorated and the light in the corner.
Room, and then I'll go and stand over the other side. I tell you what we should have done. We should have put some fairy lights in the gin shelf. Like between the bottles, that would have been quite good. Oh yeah, that lights up. And the other one. I forgot those. They're from last year. There we go. Woo! That one looks really bright on the camera. So yeah, so this is our
kitchen
setup.
Featuring dog treats for your parents'
and advent calendars. This is what we got from Home Bargains, which we already showed you.
We put our cookies on, which you can check out in our last video, which were really nice. But they've now all gone, haven't they?
Yeah, we had them all very quickly.
Yeah, my parents really enjoyed them as well. But yeah, I really like this room.
Then this is it from
the sink
side. The other side, so we've got our, yeah, I do love this room, and then hot chocolate out. And
we've gone through a lot of hot chocolate this show.
We've got our Christmas mugs.
Initial mugs.
My Little Terry's chocolate orange gonk.
Actually, I'd like to actually know how many gonks we've got in our...
Some more.
I don't think you'll be able to see it on the camera.
Oh yeah, do you want to turn the light on? More Christmas mugs. There. Yeah, okay, you can turn it back on. Yeah, so that's that. And then I'll show you the Christmas table. So yeah, these we got from B&M. I don't know what B&M. Then, yeah.
Amy's favourite shop, B&M. Yeah.
And then the plaques from the Cheshire Gift Company, which is really nice. We've got one for each. Well, we've got one for autumn as well. I want to get the spring one.
By everybody as well, is how many gonks do we actually have in the house? Because what I can see from here, there, I can see 5 in here.
I don't think we have that many, you know.
I think we've got over 40. Over 40. Well, our draft excluders 5.
4 on each. That counts as one. Don't you want to do downstairs toilet?
Oh yeah.
And this is our downstairs toilet, which has got...
We haven't really done... We've done a little tiny bit.
A little tiny bit. So we've got this, which does light up, but it blurs a bit on the camera. Then we've got a little Christmas... Gonk diffuser and
a candle with gonks on it.
A gonk on. And...
Little tea towel?
Just a little...
And a festive smelling candle as well.
Yeah, needs to iron, but yeah, just a little touch in there. And then, oh yeah, I didn't show. Then we've got the little tea towel there with the two. What are they? Deers, stags.
Just on the.
Yeah, I do have more upstairs, and found them, but I haven't put them out yet. So.
And then your favourite room.
Oh yes, this is my favourite room.
The lounge.
The lounge.
Where we spent lots of, well, every evening, don't we? Every evening.
Yeah. So.
Well, I wouldn't say not every evening of this week, because we have been out for meals.
And I've been working late.
But it is a really nice feeling. It's very homely, very nice.
You just said the.
No, I prefer the kitchen.
Do you?
I like cooking in the kitchen because it makes you feel very festive.
And then yeah, so yeah, our cards are like everywhere. I'm blocking all our decorations.
We didn't actually realise how many cards we're going to get.
Yeah, we did have quite a lot this year. So yeah, we didn't really have much space to put them because I've put stuff everywhere. Then we've even got all our little cushions. I think that one's my favourite. With the
stars, the
snowflakes. Yeah.
Do it to the light up.
No, not yet. Then little centerpiece. So this is it from. Got those two. I like those two cushions as well. That says "Let It Snow."
That's another gonk.
Another gonk, yeah. And then all our little fairy lights, ready to watch another Christmas. And this is it, just from the other side.
From the bifold doors.
Yeah, and then.
Oh, should I show the graphics clue to which I was?
Yeah.
I think these are definitely counted as 4, rather than 1.
Go on then. So we've got 2.
We've got 2 of these, and there is 5.
Oh, there is 5. I thought there was 4.
So is that counted as 1 gonk or 5 gonks? Let us know in the comments below. Because I also think the doorstop as well. If you want to show that, that's 3 gonks. So
yeah. That.
So with those just together, that's 13.
Yeah. Okay. That's quite a lot.
So tell us below. See how many you can count in the video as well.
Oh yeah. Nearest twins.
You win. Star comment. Star comment.
Right. So let's go upstairs now. So then you come up the stairs, and then to the left we've got our
little ensuite.
Main bathroom. So yeah, we haven't done anything Christmassy in there other than that diffuser. Which was in the 3rd decorating video? Yeah, it's in the from next. It does smell very nice. Yeah, it does smell really nice in there. And then same in your office? My office. I've just popped the little diffuser there. So that's off for the holiday, and then it's a bit of a mess, but
the editing laptop.
Little sofa bed there. Then so you come up the stairs here. Then the first thing you see
is our last year's tree, isn't it?
Yes. So
which actually looks better in that space than it does downstairs, I think.
Well, yeah, it's because it's
6 foot, isn't it? Is that right?
This is a bit smaller up here. So yeah, that's really nice. So we've gone for red up here, and then blue and silver downstairs because it goes to the sofa. Then we've got them there just to cover the plug. Some little light up presents. Little garland. Oh yeah, he sat on the battery. And then we've just got. These are really nice. Yeah, that was from Aldi, that cushion. Couldn't really figure out where to put it. I wanted like a chair up here.
I've said I wanted a chair for a long time.
So then we'll put it on there when we get a chair. And then we do have a Christmas candle here. We just
haven't put it on.
We got 2. Put it on. We got 2. We just have 2 many.
And another gonk.
And another gonk. And then that's pretty much it for up here. This is just our dressing room, but yeah,
it's a mess.
We haven't got anything Christmassy in here, so same
with our spare bedroom as well.
Yeah, so if you want to see what they're like,
check out the previous house tour video, which will be
we'll put in the link below. Yeah. And that shows you
everything,
the whole house. But But yeah, this is just the Christmas version of the house
Yeah.
tour. Then coming into our bedroom, so we've just got our Christmas bedding on in here, which is from Asda, with the matching pillows. The 2 grey ones are from TK Maxx, but the other 2 are from Asda. So that's all the Christmas touches in here, because Matt won't let me have a Christmas tree in here, so that's a bit sad.
I hope you enjoyed the video of our little Christmas house tour of our house, isn't it? And showing the bits which you've added. If you want to see the whole tour, please check out the link. Aim's already said, but in the video in the link below.
The non-Christmas.
The non-Christmas,
one,
yeah.
and the rooms we didn't show. But yeah, we hope you have a lovely Christmas.
Yeah, and a happy New Year.
And yeah, we'll see you in 2023.
That bit of a shock.
That's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very weird. It's weird to think that we have when we started last year, we didn't actually have a YouTube channel.
No.
Now we've got almost 145 of you guys following us, which is really nice.
So thank you.
But yeah, thank you very much. Just on a final note, do you have a favourite part of the decorating? Of like decorations in the house?
This room.
This room. Is it the room as a whole?
Yeah, actually no, the hallway.
Yeah, I was about to say the hallway table is really nice.
Yeah, the little ceramic village, I like that. Because it's the first time I've done it. It's nice
really
to
well,
like
isn't it?
have it when you come in the house.
Yeah,
Like, straight away.
It's lovely.
Makes you feel Christmassy.
Really nice.
And the candle smells nice.
But no, thanks again for watching, guys. As I've said previously, don't forget to like and subscribe to our video, and have a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year.
See you
See you soon. Bye.